I have another mini album to share with you. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. This month, as part of my Paper Stash Smash collab, I want to use up miscellaneous papers that are in my stash. I think I had about 100 miscellaneous papers, which really isn't that much, but a lot of them were random, and I picked up a bunch of these Graphic 45 ones this month and said, okay, I'm going to do something with it. So obviously, this is Raining Cats and Dogs theme. The way I got this paper is I never had the full collection, but I was making a dog mini album and saw on a Facebook group somebody was selling the dog papers, or well-groomed papers that I wanted. I think I got it. I said, do you have any more? She said, no, but I have some of this. So she gave it to me at a good price, and it was from the Raining Cats and Dogs collection. There were several of these papers, I mean maybe 10, and it sort of worked for what I had. She had one sheet of this, which if you're not familiar with the collection, it's one sheet of stickers with the animals. I had one sheet of this with the umbrellas, and yeah, just miscellaneous other papers. So I like to use some of those stickers. I just thought they were fun to add to the cover and to the pages. I thought, you know what, if somebody had several cats and dogs throughout their life, this would be a nice tribute book to them. Or if you work for an animal shelter and you wanted to save pictures of some of your favorites, or if you want to donate something to an animal shelter, this kind of project would work. I will have it listed in my Etsy shop soon. So this is the back side of this paper. I just stuck that in there, but you'll see a lot of this used throughout this collection. And then on each page, you will see a dog sticker and a cat sticker. I took some photo mats, inked up some cardstock just to tone it down and have it go with some of the colors, and just try to make a spot for photos. Now, each of the pages is just a simple page. I just folded one piece of paper together, and each page has a photo mat in the inside of the top loading pocket. Here we have a kitten, wire fox terrier, clever cat, D is for dog, a Saint Bernard, and the cat's meow. And oh, I have 2 wire fox terriers. I'm going to have to change that. I think I have just a couple more stickers. I think we're going to have to put a lucky dog there. So that's going to go there. And I added just a couple more stickers. In fact, I'll take the rest of these and put them in the pocket there, because why not? And basically, I finished all but just a couple of teeny scraps. So all of the paper is gone. And I made something out of it. So that is the mini album. I made another one yesterday. The measurements, by the way, are, I said 5.5. It's really 5 1/4 by 4 1/4 with a 1 3/4 inch spine. I don't have a tutorial. I will not be doing a tutorial. I have tutorials on smaller albums. If you need to, you just resize it a little bit bigger. I did that earlier this week. This will be listed in my Etsy shop. If it's something you're interested in, before I get it in, just put a note in the comments and I'll get back to you and let you know all about it. So that's what I have. It is Raining Cats and Dogs here at Project 39 Mini Albums. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.